A.
Piss take.
Production.
NiceCNC make this brake pedal for the KTM 690. Not a bad looking piece of kit. Let's swap it out. Let's get rid of the stock OEM version and install this one. Let's go. You're going to need a T50 to back off the top bolt. And there's two lower bolts to remove. That holds this whole unit on. T40 for the lower bolts. You'll need a 10mm ring spanner, 8mm ring spanner to back off the lower bolt. So that's the lower bolt on the brake pedal removed. Okay. Take the bolt out. Pretty sure the washer goes the underside. Let's get some Loctite on that bolt. Let's add Loctite to the lower bolt. Okay. Hammerhead make two gear levers, a plus 10 that's longer, or this is the stock size. So I'll run the stock size and see which one I feel like running for the future. But at the moment I'll just install this Hammerhead gear lever and see which one suits me the best. Using a T27 Torx bit. Oh shit, that's one. Okay, slide that off. Just another drop of Loctite. We'll put the new one on.